Good afternoon or good evening. Dave here. How's everybody in YouTube doing? Hope you all are doing well. Today is a Sunday afternoon, Sunday, April the 3rd. I'm sorry, May the 3rd. May the 3rd. We're May the 3rd. And we're bringing you an update on the onions for today. It'll be just a small update after these messages. Good afternoon. How y'all doing? Dave here. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a walking again. I got to lose weight anyways. We're going to come up to an area that was, we had already gotten personnel to pick up the onions, but we had a shortage of personnel, and we picked up a lot of this purple onion. Has already been picked up. Very, very, very good condition here. Look at this beautiful onion here. Purple has always been a favorite. They're used for hamburgers, for all types of meals. It's beautiful onion right here. It's a purple one. As you can see, we've got a lot of them. It still needs to get picked up. This thing's almost over. Unfortunately, we have watermelon season coming up already. Sometime between Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. You can see we've got bundles and bundles of the purple onion that still needs to be tended to. But we'll get to it. We'll get to it as soon as we can. I'm gonna leave this one in the truck. I'm gonna grab me a bottled water. Luckily the ice is still there. I had a spaghetti dinner before I came to work. We're gonna keep walking this way. Walk a little further. Take a look at more onions. They're all pretty much ready to go. It's just, hopefully by Monday we have enough personnel to have them all picked up. You got some more bunch of hills here. We tend to be more relaxed on a Sunday. This wind's never going to die down. I've had wind yesterday, day before yesterday. We've had wind almost every day here. Let's put this camera the other way. It's that way because the sun is facing me, and we can relax here for a little bit. It's been about 2 weeks that I brought in this camera, this GoPro Hero 8 with the media mod. It seems to be doing its job. I've noticed, and this is totally a separate topic from the onions. I've noticed that, and I'm seeing the difference between the GoPro Max that I have, which is a 360 camera, and also a vlog camera, with the GoPro Hero 8, which is also a vlog camera because of the fact that I have it hooked up with a media mod. As you can see, I'm using these Rode wireless microphones because we have a wind right here. If I didn't have this, if you've seen the previous videos that I've posted, you can't even hear me. And that's because I use the GoPro Max. The GoPro Max, you can't put any type of wireless microphones. You've got to depend on the microphone that's already built into the camera. I got a wind right here, and it's hitting the camera, but it's not depending on the speakers of the microphones on the camera. It's depending on the microphone up here. And thanks to this little feather filter, it pretty much blocks away a lot of the wind. So I know my voice is coming out clear. The only thing is that I might have made a mistake that I may have been too close to the camera, and I probably wasn't centered in the camera. That's the only problem I'm having with the GoPro Hero 8 in comparison to the GoPro Max, is that I would have to back away a bit so I could know that I'm centered in the microphone. Because if I get close to about a foot, I would not be surprised that my head is probably not even in the picture anymore. Maybe half my head is in the screen, which is probably what happened right now. I didn't have that problem with the GoPro Hero 7. Well, when I purchased the 8, I gave the GoPro Hero 7 to my little brother. I was going to give it to my cousin Prieto from Houston, Texas, but he didn't want to trade. He had a little Dalmatian puppy, and I wanted that Dalmatian, but since he didn't want to give it to me, I wasn't going to give him the GoPro Hero 7, so I just gave it to my brother. So Prieto, if you're hearing this video, I wanted your dog, but since you didn't want to give it to me, you didn't get to have the camera. I'm sorry. Maybe when the GoPro 10 comes out, maybe I'll give away the GoPro Hero 8. But anyways, back to the onions. My gosh, this wind's pretty strong. Logistically, we're doing well, and I keep getting close to the camera. I'm probably gonna be out of the picture, so I'm gonna put the camera a little bit farther away. And now, try it now. I should be nice like this now. Anyways, I'm gonna cut the long story short because it's on a Sunday anyways. We're here to relax. You know, we're not supposed to even be considered working, but we still got to be out here. So I want to thank the viewers looking at this video. Wherever you're at around the world, as I said in several videos before, if you still have a stay-at-home order, please stay at home. I'm in Texas. I'm in Central Texas. I'm in the area of Lago Vista, just 14 miles northwest of Austin, Texas. We're doing fine here. We don't have that stay-at-home order anymore. The governor Abbott has reopened the businesses for the state of Texas now. At least for the state of Texas, and a lot of states in the United States has been reopened already. Not all of them, but the majority of them. People get tired of living at home, and in reality, I've heard always other stories where people, by sitting at home or being at home and not able to go out, will get them even more sick. People will get sick if they don't go out, because we are human beings. We are outdoors people. Even though some people have probably never gone out in their lives because they've always been pencil pushers or works in the office and so forth, but still, you don't want to be stuck in your house for 30 days or longer. You want to get out. I mean, today's Sunday, and I'm sure there's probably thousands of people at Canyon Lake or Lake Austin or the Colorado River. I'm sure there's a lot of people tubing right now, having fun, getting out. They deserve it. For you people out there in other countries, Thailand, China, South Korea, Japan, the Philippines, it's all up to you all's government if you all want to open up your economy. Hopefully you'll open it up pretty soon, because I got a very important trip coming up in a few more months, and I would hate to cancel the flight tickets. Hopefully the country that I'm talking about will open soon, because I need a vacation already. So I wasn't one of those fortunate ones that were able to stay at home. I was an essential employee. I was out when in the rut of the coronavirus peak season. I was still out in the road. I wasn't a first responder, but I am an essential person and considered an essential person. So I was out there when you guys were protected at home. So anyways, this is it for Sunday. I will talk to you on Monday and see what the progress is coming up for the watermelon, and see if we can start the watermelon season, maybe hopefully by tomorrow. Until then, you all have a safe Sunday. If you're out partying at the rivers or the islands or the beach, be safe about it. Maintain your social distance. Always wear your mask if necessary. And wish you all a very healthy life. And may God bless all of you. Until Monday. Well, God bless all of you always, forever. But I'll see you on Monday.